Well, now you have your wonderful vehicle. That's the vehicle you're searching. It takes so many nights searching online. You talk to the salesperson, you face the sales manager, you got the deal that you were looking for with the interest rate, and you're ready to go to finance. Many people say, finance, now I'm gonna have to start again? Yes, well, not really, you won't have to start again. Many people get really defensive, and you get defensive when you're afraid, and you're afraid because the unknown. That's the reason why I'm making this video, to tell you what's next, what to expect, and how to handle it. Let me reveal to you what's the insights in the finance department. My name is Rosie Rolandi. I'm in the car business successfully for 20 years. I was the finance director, finance manager. I did management in car dealerships. I did sales. I worked for General Motors, Mercedes-Benz, and now I'm with Gettel Toyota in Bradenton, Florida. Come to see me. I will help you to save time and money. My phone number is 941-962-2515. It will be my absolute pleasure to help you. Subscribe to my channel, Rosie the Car Lady. Please press the like underneath. That's why I know that you like this video. You negotiate your vehicle. You have the vehicle that you're looking for. You are happy, excited. You cannot wait to take it off that car lot. Now you ask the salesperson, what's next? The next is gonna be the finance department. As you know, if you purchase other vehicles before, many people say, going to finance, another hour. Oh, I will tell you what's going on in the meantime. The finance manager appears and take you to his office. Well, what they're doing is get you your approval in the bank. With the bank. What they're gonna do is they submit your deal to the bank, get what's the best deal possible based off your payment requests and based on your credit. And that way, when you go to finance, you have the questions about how much will be my interest rate, how much is gonna be my payment, for how long, when is my next payment. Please make all these questions in the finance office. Now, when they get your approval through the bank, if you have good credit, it takes 5 minutes. If you don't have good credit, and it happens many times, it could take hours because they have to submit a few banks. They have to collect your pay stubs, your proof of income, your proof of residence, and they have to talk to the bank. Yes, it could take hours. Be ready. You always have to eat before to come to the dealership, case by case. Well, the finance manager introduced himself, approach and say, yes, I have everything almost done. I'm doing the title work. What do I mean title work? What they're doing is transfer the title from the dealership to you or to the bank. Depends if you're paying cash or you are financing the vehicle. They're gonna do your plates, transfer your plate in the case you're gonna use the same plate, or give you a new plate. By the time that you go inside the business office, all this has to get done immediately. When the finance director or the finance manager call you to the office, he will introduce himself, and you're gonna see today's date, pretty much in every state, I hope so by now, you're gonna have a large iPad, like a 60-inch iPad on the table, because now it's electronic signing. Many people ask why. I like paper. This large iPad was made to protect the consumer. Why? Because it's timing. If the finance manager trying to push you to something that you don't want, or gonna place paperwork in the wrong order, or do something that's not right for the consumer, which can go back because all this is recorded. They're gonna ask you about if it's the right name, if that's the right address, and that's the vehicle that you agreed to buy. You have to make sure that it is, because you can be signing all the paperwork with the wrong vehicle. That's why it's really important to pay attention to the details. After you finish to, see that all is correct, all the information, that way you're saving time and don't have to re-sign again. Finance managers are like a salesperson, giving a service. And the service is to show you the benefits of these service agreements, extra warranties, extended warranties, anything. Some people like it, some people don't. All is up to you. They're gonna present the famous menu. Well, what's the menu? Different options. You already agreed the price with your salesperson or the sales manager. Think of the loan, you know exactly how much it is. Then the menu are service agreements that are available for consumers. Some people say, I hate it, I don't need it. Other people love them. Personally, and I would tell you, like a consumer myself, I always get tire coverage. I have wear and tear because I'm leasing. When I used to buy vehicles, I used to buy the warranty, Gap, and other products because I see it day after day that really works. Because these ones are selling by Toyota. There's no 1-800 number that they call you and trying to get your credit card number over the phone. That's a complete different ball game. And the warranties from years ago, many customers say they don't work any longer. They don't exist. That's why everything changed, everything is updated. Finance manager will proceed to explain every single line. Normally is first the preferred option, then they come the two most I would say popular one is the basic and the value. Everybody is different. Other people say, I will never buy a warranty. I don't want even to listen about it. And even if you say that to the finance manager, since this path is timing, he has to explain every single customer the same way. Because if not, the company can be sued because explaining to some customer, no exceptions. Now you pick one that you fit your budget and you think that is what you need because you're gonna keep the vehicle for a while, or you say, I decline everything, I want the payment that I already agreed with the salesperson, and that's it. You finish to sign all your paperwork. Make sure that you ask about the due date of your first payment. Many times when they leave, they don't know when it will be in the first payment, and they also don't know who is the bank, and that's really important. And what to expect you leave the dealership because you want to pay for your car, right? Well, when you finish to do all this paperwork, they're gonna sign it in about 15 to 20 minutes. They're gonna give you a flash drive, your registration, and a copy of the update insurance, because by then your salesperson help you to update your insurance coverage. When you finish with all this, the salesperson will be waiting for you. Hopefully, will be thanking you for your business, go over the vehicle. You have any questions, they're gonna put the plate, they're gonna use it for you, and you are all done. It's not that difficult. In the next videos, I'm gonna explain different kind of warranties and what they really mean. That's why when you already agree on the vehicle and the monthly payment of the vehicle, whatever the case is, you know what to expect on the finance office. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Rosie Rolandi. I work for Gettel Toyota in Bradenton, Florida. My phone number is 941-962-2515. Come to see me. I will help you to save a lot of time, a lot of money. Please do subscribe to my channel, Rosie the Car Lady. Press the like underneath. That's why I know that you like all this information. It was my pleasure to give you all this free information, and see you in the next video. Thank you.